Hello and welcome to Posabilities. This is a short video tutorial on how to log into the Posabilities Wellness Living account and access any classes that you've signed up to join them live stream, or to also watch any of the videos that have been uploaded to your account on demand. So you can start out by going to the Posabilities For You website. And then once you arrive on the website, you'll find that there's a section, let's slide this over, a section called Wellness Living. If you're on a desktop or a laptop, most probably it'll be over here on the right, but depending on your browser or what device you're using, you also may need to scroll down and find it toward the bottom. So under Wellness Living, you have a few different options. You can click to download the Wellness Living app. You can click to register if you're not already in the system. So if you haven't attended any classes with us in the past or any services, then you would go to register first. We do have a video on that. Or if you're already in the system, you can log in. So just a quick comment on the Wellness Living app. If you download that, that would be onto your mobile device. And that can be a quick and easy way to get right into Wellness Living, where you can go in to purchase any passes or classes, to register for classes, and also to register to get right into class when it's class time. The only thing you cannot do in the Wellness Living app is you can't access any of the recordings that have been uploaded to your account. You would have to actually log in and go to the Posabilities Wellness Living website. So to go ahead and to log in, you can hit log in. And at this point, before you actually log in, if you'd like, you may want to bookmark this page. So in the future, you don't have to go through the Posabilities website. You can come straight here and sign right in. So I'm already signed in. I forgot to sign out, but essentially you would just have a screen that would ask you to enter your username, which is your email address, and your password. If for any reason you have forgotten your password, you can ask Wellness Living to set up a new password. I've had reports that sometimes that's a little glitchy. It doesn't work out real well. So if you would prefer, you could also give us a call at 207-743-0930, or use contact us on our website and drop us an email and ask us to set you up with a temporary password. And again, our website is Posabilities, the number 4 and the letter U.com. So once you come here, you'll know that you're in the right place when you see the purple banner and our logo. You may or may not see these icons across the top. If you don't see the icons, you're going to see 3 brown lines. And if you click on those lines, then you'll just get a vertical list of these same icons. So it always opens up to show you what classes are scheduled for the day and for the week. So as I scroll down here, if you see something that's red that says cancel, that means you've already registered for it. And then if for any reason you're not going to be able to make it and you're not going to be able to use the recordings, then you could cancel up to 5 minutes before class start. Any of the classes that have this little virtual means that they're online. If they don't have the virtual, then that means then they're in person. And if you want to look at a different date, a different week, you can just click on the dates and move to another week and see what's going to be available. Just so FYI, you can also look to see what workshops and events might be coming up. And you can also look into setting up an appointment. You can choose an appointment type: Thai yoga, physical therapy, yoga therapy, one-on-one movement training, and then find out what appointments are available, purchase it, and set it up. You can also always call us if you want to set up an appointment. So we'll get right to your schedule. If you find my schedule, so it might be right along this purple banner at the top, or again, if you don't have those, you have 3 brown lines, drop down and you'll find my schedule. Click on my schedule. and you'll see any classes, any appointments, any workshops that you're scheduled for. And just remember, it's only going to show for the month that's showing. So if I have something coming up in November, I would click forward a month, or I would drop down and I can actually do a filter, choose a bigger date range or a smaller date range. If I come back to October again, I see what classes I have available, what day, what time, and you will join the class by hitting join session. You cannot get in until 15 minutes before the actual class starts. So the Tuesday 3:30 class, you would have to wait till 3:15 to hit join session. Once you do that, you'll either be let into the Zoom waiting room or directly into the class. It depends on each teacher. Some of them open class early, some wait till about 5 minutes before class, and just allow some time to chat, to check in, maybe share announcements, and then they might invite you to disable your mute so you can talk, and to turn your video on if you want to have a little chat, and then right at the beginning of class they will mute you and ask you to turn your video off. And if you happen to be running a few minutes late, that's fine. You will still be able to come into the class when you arrive. So just hit that join session. Now, after class, within about 30 minutes after the end of class, we will be posting the video to any of the classes that you registered for to your account. So if you couldn't make it at the regular class time, you could check the video out, or even if you made it to class, you might have loved it so much that you want to do it for the next 2 days because you have that video for 48 hours. You can watch the video as many times as you want. So if you're interested in watching the video again, up along the top banner, you'll see the watch video icon, or you might have 3 brown lines. Click and you'll find watch video down below. Click watch video. And the videos that you have available for your account will show up here. They, again, will stay for 48 hours from the start of the class that you registered for. And you'll have little buttons for the different categories of classes that you might have. So I only have gentle flow, but maybe I signed up for some moderate flow and yin yoga, maybe therapeutic, so I could have a number of buttons across here. One thing to take note of is sometimes if you have enough videos or enough categories, they'll go off the right of the screen and you won't really know that. So if you feel like you should have some videos that aren't there, simply scroll to the right using either on your keyboard, the right arrow, or if it's a touch screen, scrolling to the right. Then you'll find the class that you're interested in watching, and then you can just hit the play triangle on it. And then you can hit the little square outline to see full screen. Bring that video up. Now mine's going to take a little while. Usually they come right up, but my computers are being a little slow today. But what you may find is even though you've hit full screen, the picture will actually be smaller than the full screen. And that's just a current Zoom issue. So if that does happen, you can simply zoom your picture in using your keyboard or your touch screen and let it fill the entire screen. The entire class will play during a live feed. No, this is a recording, so you can pause it at any time, take a little break if you need to, and come back to it. At the end, it'll come right back to kind of showing you all of the videos that you have available. And as I said, you can choose to watch those as many times as you want during that 48 hours that videos are posted. If you run into any problems, if you have any questions, again, please don't hesitate to give us a call, 207-743-0930, or drop us a line. Probably the easiest is to go to the Posabilitiesforyou.com website and go to Contact Us. And let me just show you where that is real quick. You will find that under About Us, Contact Us. And then you can just put in your name, your email, and your question. Send it off, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you very much. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and we all look forward to hopefully seeing you on the virtual mat soon. Be well and take care.